ಇವರು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Wonderful good morning to everyone, especially MD sir and everyone. Myself Kavya, I am come from Mandya. Now I tell about chapter list. Auxiliary verbs. It is useful to make a question without WH question. Preposition. It is the link between the two words. May I take this newspaper? May is the permission. Shall I take this bottle? Shall is the friendly permissions. Syntax. Have and as. I use a plus a plus subject. Is she plus as plus subject. Want. I want job in Meta. Should. I should do job in Meta. Imperative sentence. There are 4 types of imperative sentence. Order, advise, address, instruction. Tense. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, simple past tense. I tell about my family. There are 3 members in my family. One is my mom. She is my life and she is my everything. She is working in residential school. She is nursing in my family. Then my brother is working in company. He is helping to my mom. He is backbone of my family. He is elder in my family. I am elder in my family. I am studying in first year BE. I should read well. I should take job and I should help to my family. Thank you for giving a wonderful opportunity to all. Thank you sir and everyone. I tell one thing. You trust Meta, then you learn English. You don't trust Meta, you cannot learn English. Thank you all.
ನಮ್ಮ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಂಡ್ಯದಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಮುದ್ದೂರಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ಯಾರೋ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರದವರು, ಕೋಲಾರವರು, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ರೂರಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಯಾದಗಿರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಓಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮುಳುಬಾಗ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ, ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕಡೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನದು ಕಿತ್ತು ಗಿಡ ಮುಚ್ಚಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಲೆಕ್ಕ. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅವಕಾಶ, ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ